they're all doing a bit of enduroing.
Go on, Ben! Get up! Yes, Logan!
Oh, is that from today?
It's all due to that. I've given John all the money that I earned in this race. Oh, it's on camera!
Took me by surprise, this bit of kit.
Yeah, boy.
So, me and Taylor, we've come out, the boys, Jorin, Logan, Teeth, Big Ben and Nick, they're all doing a bit of enduroing. So they're all on their own bikes. Jorin's out there scrambling around on a CRF 125. He might go on his gas. Logan's out here somewhere on his Husky 2-stroke. And the other boys are on their bikes. So we're gonna dive into the woods and see if we can catch some action of them in action. Yeah, hopefully, might even clip a little spill or something.
Go on, Ben! Get up! Go on, Jozza!
We ain't seen them come round for a while, so probably all out of breath in the pits.
Yes, Logan!
Oh,
go on, Jozza!
Go on, shout it. They're like buses. They've come at one, got Logan stalling it up a little tricky section. And I just got Jorin. He's just tried to go around the guy, stalled it around this tree here, and then nearly got nailed by someone. So I was just in the right place at the right time. Me and Taylor, we've been dodging about, moving about in these woods, and we found a little niche area here that takes half an ounce of skill to go up that little tiny ledge that's about 10 inches high, and it goes up there. But this is catching some people out, this little section here. I mean, this is extreme enduro.
Go on, Logan!
What do you reckon, Logan? Back in the woods?
Yeah, loving it.
On the fuss machine?
Fuss.
Oh, is that from today?
No, that's from my first time roller.
Ah. It's all good though, nice and dry. Have you ever taken Jorin yet? Are you beating him or?
I haven't seen him. Last day.
Ah, just can't keep up.
yeah, boy.
So I've just come up, it's Wednesday after Landrake and the boys are coming out to do a bit of riding. Ben and Billy are coming out to do a few laps around Moto 101. We're going to test some more stuff with Ben and yeah, just get some laps in before they head off to La Capelle at the weekend. So yeah, see how we go.
Come in Logan's little van, so this is my toolbox for the day, because we had to bring 3 bikes up, Bill, Ben and Tommy's bike. So yeah, got the essentials, discos, can't beat them. Not on the spanners today then, Jake?
No, mate.
Spinning laps?
Doing laps today.
Prepping?
Prepping for a race, mate.
Fresh, look at him. Cold? It's not going to be cold the weekend, is it? Oh, just to get climatised for the big 30 degrees this weekend coming up.
Climatising myself with the jumper.
Hoodie season is back. That's it, packed away. Quick as that. So it's just about 10 o'clock. I've just got back from 101 and I need to put the suspension in from the bike that we rode today into the race bike that's got no suspension in at the moment. Jorin's left the bike, ready to go. I'm just going to change the suspension over for him and re-flash both bikes with the correct map in for the GPS and that'll be it for me. I've already done a couple today, so hopefully won't take me that long.
You can win all these cars, plus Tommy Sales race bike. This guy doesn't know the price, but will know soon. Buy what he can.
So we've come up to TWD competitions, and we are going to collaborate with them on a raffle of one of Tommy Searle's 2026 TF250X race bikes from this year's British Championship. The guys here are going to raffle it off. It's going to go on the website about a week to 2 weeks before the last round of the British Championship. So it's going to run for about 2 or 3 weeks. You're going to have to be quick, get your tickets, and be in with a chance of winning Tommy Searle's race bike for very little money. It's now Wednesday after the French GP. The boys have been back in the workshop a couple of days, and they are leaving tonight to go to Germany, and they're going to be away till the Monday after Latvia, so they got 2 GPs in a row. We're going to Raider for the evening race tonight, and then Ben's going to fly out tomorrow morning. Yeah, so big thanks to Jake, K-Tech. He's come in, he's meeting me here this morning. I've just arrived at K-Tech, and he's going to put a slightly different setting into the fork and shock, so we can test that tonight. And then, yeah, so stay tuned.
Just 5 second more turn and the gate was down. So I don't know.
It would have been nice if Tommy had given you the heads up on that, wouldn't it?
Couldn't jump the triple because Jamie wasn't doing it in front of me on a 250. So
Watch this one and see if they do it again.
yeah, they will do.
What, you reckon they're going to do that, or they're going to random it?
5, 4, 3, up.
That's great, man. So you're going to have to be on the limit, you have to be on the beat at the end of the 15.
Race number 3, and you're
Bleeding. I told you the roof was bad.
The gate went before we went again.
Yeah, it did.
As soon as she switched with the 15-second board,
It was gone, yeah.
yeah. Oh well, on to Germany. Oh, one more. Oh bloody hell!
this is the money race.
This is where it's all happening.
This is when it all
I'll give John all the money that I earned in this race.
Well, no.
Oh, it's on camera.
Whoa! We need dinner. You're gonna starve your girlfriend.
Now.
Wow. You're getting
He's going to win
150
this
good.
one, you know that.
Come on, Ben.
Great evening for Combat News, and here he comes over by Combat News, takes the checkered flag, and a huge whip for the crowd, Ben Watson. Yes.
Anyway, thanks, Ben. That's the first time anyone's ever actually given me, I think this is 20 years I've been doing this, and this is the first time someone's given me anything for coming to a race.
That's nice for Tommy, isn't it?
Yeah, no, he's never going to get anything out of him. Look at that, Tommy. Second place. Dash for cash, money. 1,000 quid. Beautiful. Thanks, mate.
Right.
Back from Raider, and that was a long drive. I didn't get back till like 2:30, but just going to get the bike washed off, and then I've got some work to do on Tommy's race bikes. We're going to test some stuff next week. I have just spoke to the boys. They've been in Germany, crossing Germany today, and unfortunately Logan has had a little bump in the van. So we've had to sort that out this morning. It's been a little bit of a mission, but everything's good, he's fine. These things happen. We're doing lots of miles, and yeah, it's one of them things, but everyone's okay, and yeah, a little bit of damage on the van, but we'll get that sorted, and it'll be like brand new again. So with the boys gone, I am going to get some stuff done with Tommy's stuff. He is away at the moment, and I am swapping over bikes. So that was the bike that he rode the first half of the season on. So now I've made that into his spare race bike. So that's pretty much done. Just needs the skid plate on it and put some wire on the grips. And then this was our spare bike so far this year. He only did a couple of bits on testing and stuff. So we're going to carry on and do some more testing next week. I'm going to take the engine out of this, change some gearbox parts, because we had some updated gearbox parts a few weeks ago that need to still be put into this bike. So I'm going to take the engine out of this, put the gearbox parts in, put it back in again, and then we're going to get some testing done. We've got some new ignition stuff to try and reduce a bit more engine braking in the bike. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Definitely got a bit carried away there after the cleaning process, and I'm virtually back together with the engine, so I've swapped out what I wanted to swap out, and I'll just get it finished off and get it back in the bike. And we have a bike back ready to go. Just got to double check the map that I've got in it and put the sump guard on it and drill a fork guard for it, because we've nicked that because we keep ripping them out. But we've had some new brackets made, V2 on the fork guard bracket, so hopefully that's a bit better. But yeah, there she is, ready to go.
So come up to a little track up near Tommy's, and we're doing some filming today with Muck Off, and also trying a few little bits on the race bike behind me. He is just now out there doing a little warm-up on his practice bike, which is already muddy, which they wanted it muddy because they want to wash it and use some product and just show off what the Muck Off stuff can do. So they've got two guys here from there, and yeah, they're just going to do some filming, and then once I've gone, Tommy's actually going to wash the bike, so that's quite nice.
There's Jamie, getting amongst it, he's getting the shot. They've bought some goodies with them, jet washes and cleaners and gear in the back of their off-road truck. Bit of maintenance.
Yeah, it's really took me by surprise, this bit of kit. Having two kids at home, I mean, rare that I would actually check my motorbike pressure, but I would pump up the kids' Stasics and Duo, so this is not the purpose that I'd probably use it for, because I've got a mechanic, but
you are the mechanic.
There's a lot of purposes. So we'll just do a car as well, yeah, no problem.
Yeah, you can do a car, yeah.
That's too small. You will lose that.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, but normal people, normal folk, respect.
No.
I want to have another go. I want to let it down and do it again.
Let it right down.
I've not got an enduro bike.
Oh yeah, no, let's not. Yeah, no. All right.
We got robbed.
Let's not say
my
that.
enduro bike stolen the other week.
All right. Well, when you get another enduro bike, you can use it on that.
So I'm at 7 psi. I want 14.5 in this bike. Top her up to 14. Oh no, it's already up. Sorry, let's go again. So on this, wait, I want 14.5, which is optimal in my motocross bike. So I can, that's 15, set at 14.5, press that button, and we're away, boys and girls. Simple as that. This has impressed me. This has really impressed me.
So guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of this vlog. But it is only Wednesday before Monster Mountain, so there'll be another vlog hopefully out next week. That'll be back to our sort of race day one, Moto British Championship, round 5, where hopefully, fingers crossed, all the boys can get some solid results. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. It all helps, all brilliant. Thank you very much. See you in a bit.